replicate the end shape of the final piece of crystal. So this is a smaller version of the Solheim cup. So this is going to give our master mold maker John an estimate of how long and how wide a block of wood he shall cut. Once he has his block of wood, he's going to begin to carve into the wood. He'll carve in until the shape matches the shape of the template. When he is happy with it, he will know this through his years of experience. He will then half the mold. He's going to hinge it. He'll then add handles so that when the molten crystal is poured into the mold, it can be released. The final test to ensure that this wooden mold is of the perfect shape is that the template would fit directly into the wooden mold. Okay. Now all our wooden molds and our pre-shaping tools must be soaked in water for 48 hours to ensure that they will not burst into flames when they come in contact with the extreme heat of the molten crystal. Now all the pieces you see behind to see it. Our craftsmen will receive a measured amount of molten crystal depending on the piece that they are working